What's up, guys, and thanks for joining me. I'm here at Mini Zoo, Mini Farm. Let's go check this out. Without further ado, let's get it. Yeah, and what's your name, buddy? Oh, okay. We got you set up for the cavalry this weekend for New Year's. What do you say about that? Get the horses ready. Hey, está hermoso. Beautiful horse. And Sancocho. A canine? Ain't getting close. I don't know him. But check out my videos on the 31st. And on the 1st we'll have a little horse cavalry. I've never been on one, but come and join me. Those that haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like, and share. Thanksgiving, anybody? Eso sí. Antonio, yo pesco. See, this is a good horse. Nice and calm. We cool, right? Okay, we cool. Okay. He's alright. You a little shy, but it's okay. Guys, thanks for watching. Hit that like button, share, and for those that are new, please subscribe. Let's get it.